Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to send disappearing messages on WhatsApp. If you're using WhatsApp and you want to send disappearing messages, let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your WhatsApp app, and here you have two different ways if you want to send disappearing messages all over your WhatsApp, including all chats and groups. So you must have to select the settings option here in the bottom right, select privacy, and here just scroll down and look for the default message timer option. Just select this, and you have to select the message timer, or after that time you want to disappear your messages. So you can select 24 hours, 7 days, or up to 90 days. So let's say I'm going to select 24 hours from here. Now, once you have sent a message to anyone's, your message will be disappeared after 20 days. Or you have the second option, you just have to go back to settings and turn it off. So the second option is that you just have to do this for any individual contact. Let's say I'm gonna select this one, just select the contact, then tap on the profile option, and here just scroll down and look for the option of disappearing messages. Just select that. Now you have the same timer here. Again, you just have to select the timer. Let's say I'm going to select 24 hours again. So in this way, you can easily send disappearing messages on WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.